Grandma, I want this. I want that doll too.
When children see new and exciting things, it's natural to want them. But do we need everything we want? First, let's think. Grandma didn't say yes or no. Instead, she asked them to think before choosing. Which ones are needs? A need is something that helps us live, learn, stay healthy, and stay safe. These are the things we truly cannot do without.
These are wants. There's nothing wrong with wants.
The problem begins when we mistake our wants for our needs. When we spend money only on our wants, we may not have enough for the things we truly need. Making good choices today helps us tomorrow. When children learn to choose their needs first, they grow into adults who make wise and responsible decisions.
Needs first, wants later.
We don't have to get everything we want right away. Some wishes become even more special when we patiently wait.
Needs first.
The smartest decisions in life begin with small habits. Choose your needs first. That's the first step toward a happy and responsible life.